In the vast expanse of the Amazon rainforest, nestled amidst the towering trees and vibrant foliage, there exists a tiny yet remarkable resident, the pygmy marmoset, also known as the finger monkey. This miniature primate, scientifically classified as Chebuella pygmea, holds the title of being the smallest monkey species on Earth. The pygmy marmoset is truly a marvel of nature, possessing unique characteristics that set it apart from its larger monkey cousins. One of the most striking features of this diminutive creature is its size. As the name suggests, it is remarkably small, measuring just 3.5 to 5.5 inches or 9 to 14 centimeters in length. To put this into perspective, the pygmy marmoset could fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Its body is typically covered in soft, silky fur that ranges in color from gray to reddish-brown, providing camouflage amidst the lush greenery of its habitat. Now let's talk about weight. The pygmy marmoset is so light that it can easily weigh less than a bar of soap. On average, they weigh between 2.2 and 4 ounces or 63 and 113 grams. Imagine lifting something lighter than a bar of soap. That's how light this little monkey is. With its compact size and feather-light weight, the pygmy marmoset truly embodies the essence of miniature perfection. The pygmy marmoset is found exclusively in the South American continent, specifically in the tropical rainforests of Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Panama, Peru, Suriname and Venezuela. Within its range, it inhabits the upper canopy of tall trees, rarely venturing to the forest floor. So if you want to spot one of these tiny creatures in their natural habitat, you will need to look up high in the trees. Now let's discuss the pygmy marmoset's diet. Being an omnivore, this little monkey enjoys a diverse diet consisting of tree sap, fruit, butterflies, frogs, lizards, hummingbirds, spiders, tree bark, and small mammals. Tree sap is their favorite food, and they have specialized anatomical features to help them access it. You see, pygmy marmosets have long, slender snouts with prehensile tails that end in a tuft of hair. Their tails lack the typical monkey tail, which allows them to curl their tails around twigs while they feed on tree sap. Talk about a unique adaptation. The pygmy marmoset is not just small in size, but also social group. They typically live in groups of 5 to 10 individuals, although sometimes they can be found in pairs or larger groups of up to 15 monkeys. Within these groups, there is a social hierarchy with adult males at the top, followed by females, juveniles, and infants. Communication plays a vital role in their social interactions, and pygmy marmosets use a variety of vocalizations to convey messages. Their calls can include whistles, squeals, and screams. And they are generally quite loud considering their size. Some of their calls are too high-pitched for humans to hear. When it comes to reproduction, pygmy marmosets exhibit interesting mating behaviors. Females typically give birth to twins after a gestation period of around 150 to 170 days. Both parents participate in raising the offspring, and the young marmosets are weaned onto a diet of tree sap and fruit. The adorable pygmy marmoset is a highly endangered species, facing significant threats in the wild. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, the pygmy marmoset has a population trend that is decreasing. This decline is primarily attributed to habitat loss due to deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, logging, and mining activities. The fragmentation of their habitat isolates populations, making it difficult for them to find mates and access resources. Additionally, climate change poses a threat as it alters the distribution of food sources and increases the frequency of extreme weather events. Pygmy marmosets are also targeted for the illegal pet trade, and their small size makes them vulnerable to being captured and sold as exotic pets. The pet trade places a tremendous strain on wild populations, and many pygmy marmosets die due to poor treatment or living conditions. It's important to note that these factors are not isolated incidents, but rather part of a larger problem: deforestation. Climate change and the illegal wildlife trade are significant global issues that affect numerous species worldwide. Protecting the pygmy marmoset requires addressing these broader problems through habitat conservation, sustainable land management practices, stricter law enforcement, and raising awareness about the impacts of climate change. By taking action on these issues, we can help ensure that future generations have the opportunity to marvel at this tiny primate in its natural habitat. One of the most amazing things about the pygmy marmoset is its incredible agility and jumping ability. Despite its tiny stature, this little monkey can leap over for meters or 13 feet in a single bound. This is thanks to its strong hind legs and prehensile tail, which helps it balance and steer while jumping. Just imagine a monkey the size of your hand jumping over a distance greater than its own height. It's mind-boggling. Pygmy marmosets are active during both day and night, and their agility allows them to navigate the forest canopy with ease. They spend their days leaping from branch to branch, searching for food and socializing with their fellow monkeys. When it comes to sleeping, pygmy marmosets prefer to snuggle up in tree hollows or nests made from leaves and vines. These cozy sleeping arrangements provide them with a haven from predators and the elements. Pygmy marmosets have several predators, including birds of prey such as harpy eagles, as well as snakes and jaguars. To evade predators, pygmy marmosets rely on their agility, speed, and keen eyesight. Their ability to jump long distances enables them to escape potential predators, while their sharp vision helps them spot danger from afar. Living in groups also provides some protection, as there is safety in numbers. When a predator approaches, the pygmy marmosets can sound alarm calls, allowing other members of their group to take evasive action. Overall, pygmy marmosets have evolved a range of strategies to stay safe in their environment. As for lifespan, pygmy marmosets typically live for around 5 to 10 years in the wild. However, in captivity, with proper care and a nutritious diet, they can live longer, sometimes reaching up to 20 years of age. Providing a stimulating environment that encourages natural behaviors, such as climbing and exploring, is crucial for their well-being. Pygmy marmosets are intelligent creatures, and they can learn to perform tricks or navigate mazes. Enrichment activities like these can keep them mentally stimulated and prevent boredom. Overall, pygmy marmosets are fascinating creatures that captivate our attention with their remarkable adaptations and petite charm, from their incredible jumping ability to their unique dietary preferences. These miniature primates never cease to amaze us. While they face numerous threats in the wild, there is hope that with conservation efforts and with responsible pet ownership, future generations will have the privilege of witnessing the wonder that is the pygmy marmoset. So, what are your thoughts on these adorable finger monkeys? Have you ever heard of the pygmy marmoset before? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more captivating animal videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.